Stokes theorem, then a simple thing that is যে আমরা যে গ্রিনস থিওরাম করলাম, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য part of Stokes theorem. So Stokes theorem, it is applicable for the 3 dimension, whereas the Green's theorem, it is applicable for 2D. And then what is here, line integral, it is converted into surface integral. Then we're taking a R3, that is f function, and then f vector, that is differentiable f1 I blah, and then vector is defined as the open surface. So what does that open surface mean? That let me see you, that it is the part that is enclosed by the circle, and this circle here is not closed, it is open. So that's why I said it is the open surface in this thing. Now S is bounded by the simple closed curve. So it is an open surface, but it is bounded by what curve? This is the curve that you can see. Yes, it is an open surface, and here it is bounded by this curve. And then according to Stokes theorem, what is again the closed integral f bar dot dr, what you can see we can do is that closed integral f1 equal to dx plus f1 into dy f1. So then simplifying it, what is in a del dot effort, that is a divergent, as far as I remember, divergent into n. This is a normal function value into ds. Now n is outward unit normal vector, that is outward unit normal vector. So now Green's theorem to Stokes theorem, how we are getting f equal to f1 I plus f2 j. Then we are taking the determination, that is del dot f bar f, but then only xy plane, as we can see from this equation, that we can get the Stokes theorem, Green's theorem, sorry. We're taking this value, and then we can get the equation. Now evaluate one equation, then you can just see what is happening. So what is the question says? Evaluate the integral that closed surface after the dr. 5 মিনিট একটু রেকর্ড করে নি। এবার যেখানে আছে সেটা হচ্ছে সারফেস ইন্টিগ্রাল, সেখানে হচ্ছে ক্লোজ সারফেস এফ বার ডট ডিআর যেটা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে আমরা এখানে পাচ্ছি। দেন হোয়ার এফ উই আর জাস্ট ডিফাইনিং, সো এফ ইজ দ্য ফাংশন দ্যাট ইজ ডিফাইনিং সামথিং in the closed boundary. So it is more important in the surface boundary. It is C, that is boundary is the upper half of the surface space. So what you have seen, if you have a sphere, then this is the upper half. So it is in this picture, you can see it is the picture এখানে যেটা রয়েছে সেটা হচ্ছে upper half, হ্যাঁ simple upper half, and then xy sphere equation that is been given, and then xy plane. So evaluate, so what you have to do, that is evaluate the integral f bar dot dr. So f bar dot dr, what we can see, that is the equation, that is surface integral del dot f bar, then that is the equation that has been given. Most gate would be given as 0. Achha, okay, mode gate it would be come to 0. So del bar dot s dot k dot n dot ds, what you can say, why k dot n, you may ask, why k dot n? So you can get the answer from here. So f bar equal to the equation given, then we are taking the curl of the vector. So that is a curl, what is been given to, what curl is been said, that is del dot f. Del dot f is been told as the curl, and that is ijk, that is been given, and we're taking the differential value, that is given coming out as k. Then putting the value del dot f equal to k dot n dot ds, simple, k dot a dot ds, and then unit normal vector. So what you can see, that is the equation divided by the radius, x plus y plus z. So here the radius is given x square plus y square z square, that is 1, simple. So that's why k dot n bar equal to n by this. So k dot n dot ds, and then k dot n value coming as k dot I equal to 0, k dot z equal to also এখানে 0 আসবে। সো k dot k equal to বেশি থাকবে, সেখান থেকে z আসছে, z into ds থেকে আমরা যেটাকে কনভার্ট করছি সেটা ds dx by z, and then z is cancelled, dx dy সেটা হচ্ছে, what is ds dy? dx dy is the area, and that is a project z equal to 0. So at this dx dy projection is z equal to 0 হবে, সেটা সিম্পল। সো z equal to 0 হলে x square plus y square equal to 1, that is the surface equation of circle. নাও এফ বার ডট ডিআর বার, এফ বার ডট ডিআর অল্টারনেট ওয়েতে আমরা যেখানে বার করছি সেটা হচ্ছে 2x minus dy minus y square, y square minus 2z into dz. What we are just doing, we're just putting the equation I equal to dx dy dz. Here Z value is 0, you can see. So why it is Z value equal to 0? Here also Z value equal to 0. So 2x minus dy dx, it is f1, it is f2. Okay, now differentiate with respect to dx, that is minus 1 it is coming, and then dx dy, same area, pi is coming. And one rate what is been said, when we are move along the boundary, when we move along this boundary, what will happen? Xy plane, then z value, it is not affecting the 0, so z equal to 0. Simple. Then the next question they have to solve, otherwise you will not get it. And the last part is that Gauss divergence fibers. Now Gauss, it is a closed surface integral to volume integral. So what is Gauss? That is the volume integral we have been seeing. If one and the same differentiable vector indeed defined on the closed surface enclosing the volume. So here volume is enclosed. So when Gauss volume কখন করব, যখন আমাদের closed volume that has been given, that has been told in the question that closed volume has been given, then we have to apply the Gauss system, and then it is defined as the enclosing volume. Then triple integral about dot es, it is been given as triple integral v del dot v del dot f del dot f dot d dv equal to dx dy is, and this is divergent has been given in the previous one you have seen. Divergence data del dot f. Okay, only for the closed surface is applicable. Now problem কোনটা হচ্ছে clarify it হবে. So এখানে গিয়েছে consider a closed surface integral A surrounding the volume V if R is the position of the vector and point inside A is n unit normal S, then the value of 5r into n ds, 5r into n ds আমরা ভ্যালু বার করতে বলেছি। সো আমরা কি জানি, f equal to 5r into equal integral del dot f. So এখানে r equal to দেওয়া আছে xi yz zk that we can see, and del dot r what we can take is it 1 plus 1 plus 1, simple differentiating with that, del equal to 3. Okay, r dot n dot ds, how it is coming? So simply 5r into n ds. So from here it is coming at r dot n bar into ds, and from 5 is going out, এবং r dot ds, it is delta equal to r dot ds into n dot ds equal to কি আছে ডেল ডট, কীভাবে এটা আসছে একটু ভুলে গেছি। সো এখানে একটু মারাবে, ডিভি এখানে বেঁচে থাকতেছে, ডিভি এখানে বেঁচে থাকতেছে, ডেলের ভ্যালু ডেল ডট আর এর ভ্যালু এখানে আছে। ওকে, নাও চেক, ডেল ডট আর এর ভ্যালু এখানে আছে 3, ডিভি এখানে আসলো। ওকে, হাউ ডিভি ইজ কামিং, তাহলে ভুলে গেছি কে, এন ডট ভি। So dv equal to volume, small volume we are taking. Okay, small volume we are taking. So f dot s ds এখানে simple small volume we are taking, then v dot r dv equal to del v. Okay, dv equal to dv, not coming, del dot f. Okay, next question it will be cleared. 9x1 n bar is okay, surface sphere, it is also in del dot f, how it is coming, 9 minus 2 minus 1 6. Okay, putting the equation 6 dot dv, 6 dot dv equal to 4 by 3 into r cube. Why r cube it is coming? Because sphere equal to 4 by 3 r cube, that's how it is coming as sphere.